Now to a News 15 update on a top infrastructure priority for Lafayette Mayor President Monique Blanco Boulet.
As we first reported last night, LCG has just selected 4 engineering firms to design the Johnston Street Revitalization Initiative. Tonight, News 15 Scott Brazda has a closer look at the project that's moving forward and what we can expect to see in the months ahead.
But I think we have the right of way. I think we have the resources to rethink the heart of the city and make it what we want it to be. I don't think we're stuck with it forever and ever just because it's bad.
That determined mindset is what's behind the Johnston Street and Louisiana Avenue Revitalization Initiative. Lafayette Mayor President Monique Blanco Boulet says it's about change, needed change for Lafayette to grow and become what it can become.
So we are kicking off Johnston Street, starting to set up some of the engineering firms that will help us with this project. Also starting to set up a schedule for the public outreach that's going to happen.
4 engineering firms have been hired, already in place to take I-10, Louisiana Avenue, Johnston Street, and Ambassador Caffrey right into the future.
To determine the characteristics of Johnston Street. Each segment, it's been broken up into several segments, and each segment will be treated differently because each segment is different. Johnston Street at Camellia is very different than Johnston Street at Jefferson Street.
Drainage, particularly near UL and Johnston, walkability improvement, traffic flow, and the aesthetics of Johnston Street, those topics, say the Mayor President, will all be addressed as the work, some of which has already started, progresses.
But it is really a proof of concept project. So we've gone through a lot of the iterations. What is it to redesign the electrical grid? What is it to put the communications underground? What is it to really look at drainage from a holistic perspective? Those questions I want answered all along Johnston Street.
In Lafayette, with videographer Alex Foe, Scott Brazda, News 15.